नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं मोबाइल न्यूज 24 और मैं हूं नूपुर सिंह। Today we are going to talk about a young environmental activist Arshia Dhingra. Today, OB Bhalla Foundation organized a press conference at Green Park, Delhi, and there a young environmental activist Arshia Dhingra has made remarkable contributions to society by transforming waste materials into valuable resources, raising funds and her efforts in empowering women. Her innovative initiatives have significantly impacted the community and the environment. Let's see this report.
First of all, namaste and thank you all for coming here. And today I would like to talk about one initiative which was taken by me, Waste to Worth. And मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैंने कैसे ये चूज़ करा। जब मैं 12 इयर्स की थी तो वो जो गुड़गांव फरीदाबाद वाला रोड आता है तो वहाँ इतना सारा गार्बेज होता है। तो मैंने जब वहाँ जाके उनसे पूछा कि ये कहाँ से कलेक्ट होता है तो उन्होंने कहा कि सिर्फ हाउस होल्ड्स का गार्बेज है, सिर्फ घर से आता है ये सब। तो फिर मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं अपने आप से पहले ये पूछूं कि ये इतना वर्थ है कि हमारा इतना ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन हो रहा है। और फिर मैंने अपने घर से शुरू करा, फिर मैं दूसरों के घर जाके उन्हें बोला, उनका कलेक्ट करा वेस्ट, उन्हें दोनों बिन्स बताए कि वेस्ट सेग्रीगेशन क्या होता है, अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए ये सब। और पहला चीज़ मैंने करा कि मैंने ये सारा वेस्ट करके एक मैट बनाया जो हम घर पे लगा सकते हैं, जो हम अंडर प्रिविलेज लोगों को दे सकते हैं। दूसरी चीज़, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पैशन है आर्ट के लिए, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना हम उन लोगों को सिखाएं जिनके पास इतने सारे सामान नहीं होता बनाने का, इवन दो वो इतने अच्छे हो, बट दे डू नॉट हैव द रिसोर्सेज टू मेक इट।
Even today there are many Indian families, communities who are not letting their girls to engage in social activities, right? But you have done such a great job by empowering women. So how you got inspiration or from whom for doing so?
So my inspiration is my father, who really supported me in everything, and like whatever I wanted to do, he helped me throughout. And I feel like I got this because of, I could see there's so much pollution happening because of waste. And I thought, why not like do something to change that? Because if I won't do it, others won't follow me, right? So to create an impact, I started this.
So what are your future plans regarding this?
So I would like to, first of all, my aim is to like create awareness among everyone, especially underprivileged people who do not know a lot of stuff about this. So I would like to educate them and tell them how this can be done and how recycling is possible, and it would really create an impact. So this is my first thing, and secondly, I would like to, introduce and start this on a more larger scale as I grow older, because I'm in 12th right now. So I would like to really start this and working on this more. Yeah.
At such a young age, you are empowering women. In addition to that, you are preventing climate degradation. It's encouraging, and I'm very inspired by it. But I have two questions. Why women is vulnerable by society? What do you think?
So I think that more the government is focusing on what only men can do and not giving as much as power to women, as you can see. So I would like to change that perspective. I would like to change that because I know women in this country are very, very capable and they can do equally as well as men. That is the one thing I would really like to change, and I hope I can make that change later.
What do you suggest the common people, how they can change their life by just implementing your suggestions?
So I think if they start few of the initiatives that I have done, it could really impact. See, because the only one that the thing that I am doing has really created an impact. So what if all the underprivileged people also do it, and all of everyone does it? So can you imagine how great the impact would be?
At this very young age of yours, many youngsters are facing a great problem, that is getting distracted from their goals, aims through a gadget, that is mobile phone.
Yes.
So how you kept yourself aside from this and have this wonderful idea, successful idea?
So I think I was really different. I had one dream, which was to give back to the society, and it was never like I was thinking of only myself. I was thinking of like us as like Indians as a whole. So my dream was to like help them out, to create awareness and to like be together.
You are right now studying in school, right?
Yes.
So what steps you have taken to aware children at school level? Have you started from your school first?
So in school, I was part of the environment team for the past 3 years, and I was part of the student council also for environment. And in school also, we have held a lot of drives or a lot of sustainable and eco-friendly drives, and promoting eco-friendly products and to help others out. Even from my school, and taking this forward, like I said, I've created a lot of notebooks also, which I've donated in NGOs like Dr. O.P. Bhola Foundation has really collaborated, and so.
So your theme is waste to worth, but you are using papers. Don't you think it is?
So waste papers, the papers which have already been used are so it's better than to collect those papers which are already been going to the garbage and to dustbins. So don't you think it's better to use all of that? Like I said, the mats also, they're also just the waste that has been thrown away, like Maggie packets, polythene packets, and all of those. So I've collected those. Environment, because obviously plastic segregation it will take millions of years. So yeah. So
We
that's
are really
why.
surprised, and it is really nice talking to you.